Afghan English Academy.
Thank you so much. I have to go now.
Thank you so much. ډیره زیاته مننه. I have to go now. زه باید اوس لاړه شم.
I have killed Daisy. I have to call Susan, madam.
I have killed Daisy. ما Daisy وژلې ده. I have to call Susan madam. زه باید Susan madam ته زنګ ووهم.
Hello. Where is Daisy? Did you find her?
Hello سلام. Where is Daisy? Daisy چیرته ده? Did you find her? آیا ته هغه پیدا کړه؟ Find ویل کیږي پیدا کول.
Yes. Daisy is no more. I have killed her.
Yes هو Daisy is no more. دې جملې مطلب مګر دا دی چې Daisy نور نشته یعنی مړه شوله. سیده Daisy is no more مطلب Daisy مړه شوله. I have killed her. ما هغه وژلې ده.
Really? Thank God. You did a great job. I am happy now.
Really په حقیقت سره thank God شکر الله you did a great job تا یوه ښه وظیفه ترسره کړه. I am happy now. زه اوس خوشحاله یم. Happy ویل کیږي خوشحاله.
You said you would give me more money. I want to meet you.
You said تا وویلې you would give me more money چې ته به ماته نور روپۍ هم راکوې. I want to meet you. زه غواړم چې تا سره ملاقات وکړم.
Don't sweat it. You can meet me tomorrow. I will give you more money.
Don't sweat it. پریشانه کېږه مه. You can meet me tomorrow. ته کولی شې چې له ما سره سبا ته ملاقات وکړې. I will give you more money. زه به تا ته نور روپۍ هم درکم.
Bravo, Susan. Amir is mine. He will marry me soon.
Bravo Susan. شابه سوزنه. Amir is mine. Amir زما دی. He will marry me soon. هغه به له ما سره ډیر ژر واده وکړي. marry ویل کیږي واده کول ده.
Susan, where have you been? I was worried about you.
Susan, where have you been? ته چیرته وې؟ I was worried about you. زه ستا باره کې پریشانه وم.
Mom. Amir wants to marry me. I am so happy today.
مورې Amir wants to marry me. Amir غواړي چې له ما سره واده وکړي. I am so happy today. زه نن ډیره زیاته خوشحاله یم.
What? Does he love you?
What so? Does he love you? آیا هغه له تا سره مینه کوي؟
Yes, Mom. He loves me a lot. He cannot live without me.
Yes, Mom. هو مورې He loves me a lot. هغه له ما سره ډیر مینه کوي. He cannot live without me. هغه نشي کولی چې له ما نه بغیر واوسیږي یعنې ژوند وکړي.
He will come here with his dad tomorrow.
He will come here. هغه به دلته راشي with his dad tomorrow. د خپل پلار سره سبا ته.
Fine. You should go to bed now. Good night.
Fine. ټیک ده. You should go to bed now. ته باید اوس لاړه شي بسترې ته یعنې ویده شي. Good night. ښه شپه ولرې.
Harry, where is Daisy? Did you find her?
Harry, where is Daisy? Daisy چیرته ده? Did you find her? آیا ته هغه پیدا کړه؟
I am sorry, Mom. I could not find my sister. She is not at work.
I am sorry, Mom. زه بخښنه غواړم مورې. I could not find my sister. ما ونشو کولی چې خپله خور پیدا کړمه. She is not at work. هغه په کار کې نشته.
Everyone had gone. Daisy is missing.
Everyone had gone. هر یو تللی و. Daisy is missing. Daisy ورکه ده. لاپته ده. Missing ویل کیږي ورکه.
We have to do something. I cannot wait anymore.
We have to do something. موږ باید یو څه وکړو. I cannot wait anymore. زه نور انتظار نشم کولی.
We have to inform the police. My daughter is in danger.
We have to inform the police. موږ باید پولیس ته خبر ورکړو. Inform ویل کیږي خبرول. My daughter is in danger. زما لور په خطر کې ده. Danger ویل کیږي خطر ته.
Let's go to the police station. She must be in trouble.
Let's go to the police station. راځئ چې لاړ شو پولیس سټیشن ته. she must be in trouble هغه به ضرور په مشکل کې وي trouble ویل کېږي مشکل ته
Somebody help me. Where am I?
somebody help me یو څوک زما کومک وکړي یا where am I زه چیرته یم
Amir. Where are you? Please save me.
Amir where are you ته چیرته یې please save me مهرباني وکړه ما وژغوره
That is a rhino. I have to go from here.
There is a Riano هغه Riano د Riano د ځناور نوم دی I have to go from here زه باید له دې ځای څخه لاړه شم
My sister is missing. Her name is Daisy. Please help us.
My sister is missing زما خور ورکه ده Her name is Daisy د هغې نوم ډیزي ده Please help us مهرباني وکړه زموږ کومک وکړه
Have you talked to her friends? How old is she?
She does not have any friends. She is 25.
She does not have any friends هغه کوم ملګري نه لري She is 25 هغه د 25 کلو ده
She works for a company. I went there but she was not there as well.
She works for a company هغه د یو کمپنی لپاره کار کوي I went there زه هلته لاړم But she was not there as well لیکن هغه هلته هم نه وه
Does she have any enemy?
Does she have an enemy آیا هغه کوم دښمن لري enemy ویل کېږي دښمن ته
No. My daughter is very innocent. We are poor people.
No نه my daughter is very innocent زما لور ډیره معصومه ده بیګناه ده innocent ویل کېږي معصوم بیګناه ته We are poor people موږ غریب خلک یو
Please find my daughter as soon as possible. I am worried about her.
Please find my daughter مهرباني وکړئ زما لور پیدا کړئ as soon as possible څومره چې ژر وي او امکان لري I am worried about her زه د هغې باره کې پریشانه یم
Don't worry. Please calm down. Do you have her photo?
Don't worry پریشانه کیږئ ما Please calm down مهرباني وکړئ آرام شئ Do you have her photo آیا تاسو د هغې عکس لرئ
Yes. Here it is. She has black curly hair. She is tall.
Yes ho here it is دا دی She has black curly hair هغه لري تور تاو ویښتانه curly ویل کېږي تاو ته She is tall هغه اوږده ده tall ویل کېږي اوږده
I am going to inform my team. We will find your daughter soon.
I am going to inform my team زه به خپل ټیم ته خبر ورکړم We will find your daughter soon موږ به ستا لور ډیر زر پیدا کړو
I hate Susan. I don't want to marry her. She is a cunning girl.
I hate Susan زه له سوزن څخه نفرت کوم I don't want to marry her زه نه غواړم چې له هغې سره واده وکړم She is a cunning girl هغه یوه چالاکه جنۍ ده cunning ویل کېږي چالاکه
I did not do anything. It was her plan.
I did not do anything ما هیڅ هم نه دي کړي It was her plan دا د هغې هدف و
My dad will not believe me. I just love Daisy.
My dad will not believe me زما پلار به په ما باندې یقین ونه کړي believe ویل کېږي یقین کول I just love Daisy زه یوازې له ډیزي سره مینه کوم
I have to call Daisy. I want to talk to her.
I have to call Daisy زه باید ډیزي ته زنګ ووهم I want to talk to her زه غواړم چې له هغې سره خبرې وکړم
Come on, Daisy. Pick up the phone. Where are you?
Come on Daisy pick up the phone موبایل اوچت کا Where are you ته چیرته
Are you ready? Let's go, Amir. Susan must be waiting for you.
Are you ready آیا ته تیار یې Let's go امیر راځه چې لاړ شو امیره Susan must be waiting for you Susan به ضرور زموږ لپاره انتظار کوي یعنې ستا لپاره به انتظار کوي
I don't want to go there, Dad. We did not sleep together.
I don't want to go there, Dad. زه نه غواړم چې هلته لاړ شم پلاره. We did not sleep together. موږ یو ځای نه وو څملستلي. Together ویل کېږي یو ځای.
Susan tricked me. It was her plan. I am telling the truth.
Susan tricked me. Susan له ما سره چل وکړ. Trick ویل کېږي چل ته. It was her plan. دا د هغې هدف و. I am telling the truth. زه تا ته رښتیا وایم. Truth ویل کېږي رښتیا.
Keep your mouth shut. You made a mistake. You have to marry Susan.
Keep your mouth shut. خوله دې بنده وساته. You made a mistake. تا غلطي کړې ده. Mistake ویل کېږي غلطي ته. You have to marry Susan. ته باید له سوزن سره واده وکړې.
We are getting late. We must go now. Come with me.
We are getting late. موږ ناوخته کېږو. We must go now. موږ باید اوس لاړ شو. Come with me. له ما سره راځه.
This is an order. Susan loves you a lot. I will not let her die.
This is in order. دا امر دی. Susan loves you a lot. Susan له تا سره ډېره مینه کوي. I will not let her die. زه به هغه پرېنږدم چې مړه شي. Die ویل کېږي مړ کېدل.
Die.
She is a drama queen. Why don't you believe me? I am your son.
She is a drama queen. هغه د ډرامې شهزادګۍ ده. Why don't you believe me? ته ولې ما باندې یقین نه کوې؟ I am your son. زه ستا زوی یم.
Follow me. I don't want to be late.
Follow me. ما تعقیب که. I don't want to be late. زه نه غواړم چې ناوخته شم.
You are forcing me, Dad. Listen to
You are forcing me, Dad. ته ما مجبوروي پلاره. Force ویل کېږي یا forcing مطلب دی مجبورول. Listen to me. ما ته غوږ ونیسه.
me.
Oh God, help me. That rhino is very dangerous. It can kill.
Oh God, help me. یا الله زما کومک وکړي. That rhino is very dangerous. دغه rhino چې دا ډېر خطرناک دی. Dangerous ویل کېږي خطرناک ده. It can kill me. دا کولی شي چې ما ووژني.
Me. I don't have my cell phone. What should I do now?
I don't have my cell phone. زه موبایل هم نه لرم. What should I do now? زه باید اوس څه وکړم.
Now. I am hungry as well. Amir, where
I am hungry as well. زه وږی هم یم. Hungry ویل کېږي وږی. Amir, where are you? Amir, ته چېرته یې؟
are you?
I am so sorry, Susan. I love you so much. You are just
I am so sorry, Susan. زه ډېره بخښنه غواړم سوزنه. I love you so much. زه له تا سره ډېره مینه کوم. You are just mine. ته یوازې زما یې.
mine.
I love you too, my prince. Nobody can come between.
I love you too, my prince. زه هم له تا سره مینه کوم زما شهزاده. Prince ویل کېږي شهزاده ته. Nobody can come between us. هیڅوک هم نشي کولی چې زموږ مابین ته راشي.
us.
I hate Daisy. I want to marry you. Will you
I
marry?
hate Daisy. زه ډیزي څخه نفرت کوم. I want to marry you. زه غواړم چې له تا سره واده وکړم. Will you marry me? آیا ته به له ما سره واده وکړې؟
Me?
Yes, Amir. I will marry
Yes, Amir. هو Amira. I will marry you. زه به له تا سره واده کوم.
you.
Susan. Can you hear me? Hello. I am
Susan, can you hear me? آیا ته ما اورې؟ Hello. I am here. زه دلته یم.
here.
Mom. What did you say? Where is
مورې what did you say؟ تاسو ویلې. Where is Amir? Amir چیرته ده؟
Amir?
Yes. They have come. They are sitting in the
Yes, ho, they have come. دوی راغلي دي. They are sitting in the living room. دوی د کېناستا په کوټه کې ناست دي.
living room.
Okay, Mom. I will be there soon.
Give me some
Okay, mom, ټیک ده مورې. I will be there soon. زه به هلته ډېر ژر درسمه. Give me some minutes. یو څه منټه ماته راکړه.
minutes.
Susan is getting ready. She will be
Susan is getting ready. Susan تیاریږي. She will be here soon. هغه به دلته ډېر ژر راشي.
here soon.
I want to meet Susan. Can
I want to meet Susan. زه غواړم چې له سوزن سره ملاقات وکړم. Can I meet her? آیا کولی شم له هغې سره ملاقات وکړم؟
I meet her?
Sure. She is upstairs.
Sure, یقینا. She is upstairs. هغه بره زینو کې ده. یعنې بره ده. You can meet her. ته کولی شې چې د هغه سره ملاقات وکړې.
Can meet her.
What? What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? دلته څه کوې؟ Go away. لاړ شه.
Go away.
I want my money. I am standing in
I
front
want my money. زه خپلې روپۍ غواړم. I am standing in front of your house. زه ستا د کور مخې ته ولاړ یم.
of your house. I cannot wait anymore. Please meet
I cannot wait anymore. زه نور انتظار نشم کولی. Please meet me right now. مهرباني وکړه. همدا اوس له ما سره ملاقات وکړه.
me right now.
Fine. I will meet you.
Fine, ټیک ده. I will meet you. زه به له تا سره ملاقات وکړم. I am coming. زه در روان یم.
I am coming.
Susan,
Susan, where are you? ته چیرته یې؟
where are you? Susan, where are you? Hello.
I think زما په فکر she is in the yard. هغه په حویلۍ کې ده. یارډ ویل کېږي حویلۍ ته.
She is in the yard.
You should not have come here.
You should not have come here. ته باید دلته راغلی نه وای. I am busy today. زه نن مصروفه یم.
I am busy today.
I want my money. I have killed Daisy.
I want my money. زه خپلې روپۍ غواړم. I have killed Daisy. ما ډیزي وژلې ده. I want to leave this city. زه غواړم چې دا ښار پرېږدم.
to leave this city.
Here you go. You did a great job. We will
Here you go. دا واخله. You did a great job. تا ښه کار ترسره کړ. We will never meet again. موږ به دوباره هیڅکله هم ملاقات نه کوو بیا.
never meet again.
Thank you so much, madam.
Thank you so much, madam. ډیره زیاته مننه میډمه. Have a good day. ښه ورځ ولرئ.
Have a good day.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this next video.